we're in that point of AI where we can start to bring it to customers, but it still takes a lot of human attention to it. And we just haven't, as I'm a shopper, you guys are shoppers, our listeners right now are shoppers of various products. And we don't always know the language that we're shopping for, right? We may want to shop for a car, but now there's going to be unique conversation that happens with a car dealer that maybe AI hasn't picked up on, that a live human can, right? That jargon can kind of come back and forth, and empathy and understanding on that. So I think we are at a point where, yes, AI is going to start to shape sort of how we're all interacting with our customers, how we're looking for product. We love it as an opportunity to converse with our consumers and hear from them. Like, what things are we maybe not considering? What things are they saying that we now have to build into our language and our lexicon, that as we teach and train that AI, that now we can respond back to the customer in kind. And I think we've all hit that point of frustration, the endless IVR loops with pressing 1 or 0 or yelling representative there. And so I think we as customers, we want something different, right? At this point, I think AI offers that nice entry point where, I remember traveling years ago, and one of my buddies had told me, he's like, oh, if you're ever traveling, just make sure you can get somewhere, right? If you're ever delayed or canceled, like, just try to get somewhere, because the closer you can get to home, maybe you can drive or you can find a different flight or whatever. So, from where we're at, if we can just help our customers get that one more step, we can help them get that one path down, then the live human can come in as needed from our consumers. But it's still new. It's still something that we're trying to figure out as consumers as well.